Indoor air handler bonus round. This is a thermostat in the hallway. Okay, this is a simple thermostat. The code requires that every single family residence have at least one programmable thermostat. This is not a programmable thermostat, it's the only thermostat. Coming along here, we're back at the indoor air handler, collecting a few more notes. This is the grounding coming in to the indoor air handler. And that's the only grounding. Since this is bonded gas pipe, that's the only grounding the gas distribution system has. The only electrical bonding that the gas distribution system has. Some people tell me that's acceptable. And obviously this home's been here a while. So there's that. But this is a curious note. Also, a curious note is the gas piping. We've got some galvanized fittings